Using Uber Eats gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your favorite meals while saving money. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start ordering. Step 1. Obtain your gift card. Make sure you have your Uber Eats gift card ready. This could be a physical card or a digital code that you receive via email or text. Step 2. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Access your account. Log into your Uber Eats account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to use the gift card. Step 4. Navigate to payment options. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the app. Look for the wallet or payment section to manage your payment methods. Step 5. Redeem your gift card. In the payment section, find the option to add a gift card. Enter the gift card code exactly as it appears and tap Redeem or Add. The balance will be applied to your account, and you can now use it for your next order. Now you are ready to enjoy delicious meals with your Uber Eats gift card. Happy ordering!